Hi friends, today we are going to play an amazing game which is called Game Dev Tycoon. It's one of the most amazing strategy game, and if you are a gamer, you know how to play games, but now you need to know how to make games and make it a profitable business. So let's start by clicking to continue. As we start the game, this game is all about developing games, consoles, doing different things, and this is the setup. So we start. This is let's play a new game. So click on new, and this game welcomes you. You get a total of 35 years to build your dream company and create best-selling games. So let's start with our new company. So first of all, you need to set up a name of your company. So you can set up the name as I'll put my channel name as Gameplay Tutor. I'll put my name, so you can choose between a male or female. You can have random options to place your character design. Click continue, and your game will start. Now the first thing is, if you have played this game before, it will allow you to use the hints, or basically the tips you have unlocked before. If you are playing for the first time, it will not show this window. So I'm clicking no, so that we can feel as a new gamer. So when you get this, first of all, you need to understand the gameplay area. This is your gameplay area. This is your setup. And here on the right side, you see this is the cash which you have. There is a monthly cost which gets deducted. You can see the number of fans you have, the year, the month, and the week which you are playing in. So let's just start by creating a new game. So click on the develop new game. Here you can pick a topic. Click on pick topic. You get 4 topics to work upon, and you can select whichever topic you want to create your game on. I will start with hunting. So with hunting, you get genres. Now you can select any of these genres out of these 5. With hunting, it's more of an action-oriented thing. So we'll create a action game. After picking up the genre of the game, you need to pick up the platform. So you have 2 options here, and the initial phase at the start of the game, PC and GX4. You can see there's a market share and the development cost. Now it is very important to understand these things. Development cost is 5k, so this is much cheaper, and when you're starting the game, you have a very limited budget, and the market share of this console, or basically the gaming platform, is 43.7%. Now we click on PC, and we can create a game name. We can you can use any game name. I will use since this is a duck action game, so we will put it as Duck Hunt. This was actually a very popular game back in 90s, and this was available on Mega and Sega gaming console. So I'll use the same name. The cost is 10,000. Now you can choose between the graphics text-based game, or you want to create a graphic game. So we'll create a graphic game. We want to have a graphic game on the PC. Again, look at the pricing. The text-based game will cost you 5,000, and a graphic game will cost you 10,000 more. So your total gaming cost has come to 15,000. After selecting the feature, you click on Start Development, and you can see, there is a design and a technology. So the game is divided into 2 segments: design and technology. And while developing the game, your research points also gets add up, and there are bugs as well. So make sure that when you're completing a game, there is no bug. We'll cover this in the in as we move on in the gameplay. Now we are making an action game. So what all things would be important for action game? So we need to have a very good gameplay, and definitely we need to put emphasis on engine. Story and quest, we can reduce it because this is a very basic game. Story is not that uh, important for the game right now. So click on OK. Once you start OK, click OK, you can see the points are getting added up in design and technology. The more points you get, it's the better the game is coming. So we are making an action game. We don't need dialogues. We need to have a good level and a bit of artificial intelligence so that the gameplay is much softer and interesting. So once you do that, you can see the points are adding up. You can see some points are going to research, some into technology, some into design, and there are bugs as well. Once we have completed the second stage, we come into the third stage of development, where we look at word design, graphic, and sound. Of course, the graphic and sound is important in an action game. Word design, we'll keep it low right now. We want to put more focus on graphic and sound. So you can, check and see, whatever is good for that particular genre, and then click OK. After clicking OK, you can see, the game is developing, and you see the button finish. Now you don't finish it right now because you can see, the points are getting added up. The bugs have been fixed. The design and technology is being done. Now, once there is no more points getting added, quickly finish it up. The more you wait, the game will, as you give more time to the developer, he will put more insights on the game. So once you're done, you click OK. You click on finish. You have to be very mindful about the time also. Like, if you put longer time, on monthly basis, the rent is being paid. There's a cost which is incurring. So try to build game faster. You can see we have got a bonus of 1.5 because it was a new topic and it's a new combination. And this is what the experience we have gained during this gameplay, during building this game. Now we will release this game. If you think it is not going up to mark, you can trash the game also, and it will save a lot of cost. So now we will release the game. So when you release the game, it goes for a review, and people start reviewing. There are 4 companies who review a game, and now we will have the first review of our newly released Duck Hunt game. When you click on OK, you can see you are getting the review points. We have got 6 stars from Star Games. We have got 6 stars from Informed Gamers. According to them, this game is showing potential. We've got another 6 stars. So we are going good direction. And yeah, we have got a decent rating of our game. So we'll click on close. Once we click on close, the game is being released. And so since this was a first game, we have got a news flash that gameplay tutorial, a new company has launched their first game, Duck Hunt, and this game has got a favorable reviews. So it's a good start for the gameplay for this game, and we click OK. Now you can see on the right side, you can see how many units are being sold, and you also get to see the rank. So this is the achievement we have made to the 64th rank in the charts in the week 1, and you can see more fans are getting added. As the units are getting sold, your cash will also increase. So once the game is done, you can click on the developer again and generate a game report. Now, why it is important to generate a game report? You can see here, we have sold 7.4 thousand units. We have invested 47,000 on this game, and the income has been 51,800. We have made a profit on this game. This game was released in the year 1 and 1.6. Our average review was 5.75, and we have gained 48 fans so far. So when you click on select, you will see, this will do a game report. You will see, what went well, what did not went well, and during the gameplay, you will also get a lot of news updates. These updates are important because it gives you insight and helps you to plan on your future games. So when we get, and while you do the game report, your research points also get added up. I'll tell you later in the video why these research points are important. Now we have just hit a sales record. We have sold 10,000 units, which is a very important milestone for a gaming company. And again, in our first game we have sold 10,000 units, which is great. Once we click OK, we got the game report. Click on the game report. Now you can see our the game report provided by the system, which is like hunting and action is a very good combination. It's a great combination. World design seems not to be important for this type of game, and if you recall, we did not put a lot of emphasis on the word design. We just kept it better, simple. gameplay seems to be quite important for this type of game, and when we were planning on the game design, we put lot of we would complete efforts on the gameplay. So we made some good progress on this, and that's the reason we got favorable reviews. So once you click OK, now you can see the game is still being sold. Now you can see on the top there are 22 research points which are added. Now I'll tell you how to use these research points. Now you have to use these research points to research new things, new technologies or topics. So we will use the research point to basically research a new topic, which is zombies. And when we click on research, start researching, and this will come up as a topic for our next game. So guys, this was the beginner. This was episode 1, where we explained you how to basically start your first game. And please stay tuned and subscribe the channel to see more videos on this game. We will cross the journey of from becoming a solo developer to having a large scale company and creating a profitable business of game development. So cheers and thank you so much for watching the video.